So I do have a question for the, I don't know, I guess I call them Tiamaters, the people that firmly believe that Tiamat is in the sky. So my question for the Tiamaters, and I'm kind of curious and excited for someone to answer this because I know there should be a couple of people that are Tiamaters, and what my question is if there's a huge giant planet outgassing in our atmosphere, hence the clouds, how come it can't be in two places at one time? For instance, if you're on the West Coast, East Coast, or if you're in Minnesota or Texas, how come if, let's say, it's on the West Coast and someone is saying they're catching footage of Tiamat and there she is, how come I can't see it in Texas at the same time? I'll give you an example. If this planet per se is visible and you can see it, how come I can't see it at the same time? I mean, if it is a large object, celestial object in our skies, I see the moon. You're seeing the moon. I see the sun. You're seeing the sun. Maybe by an hour or two ahead or behind. But if, let's say, Tiamat is in a certain place at a certain time, wouldn't you think I'd be able to see it at the same time too? Because I see people make videos sometimes and they're like, there she is. So I come outside and I'm like, there ain't nothing up there. Not a cloud in the sky. Just the moon and the stars. That's it. I mean, we're talking massive. I mean, the moon's pretty big. The sun's pretty big. And they look tiny in the sky. And if they say Tiamat is what she is, it's like it's right in your face. That's the only thing that really gets me about the Tiamat thing. I believe there's a planet up there. But what I'm wondering is how come I can't see it at the same time? Let's say you can, right? Like, let's say you're making a video right now or like during the day. And then I come outside. And it's a clear fucking sky. See, if I'm aware correctly, you cannot see Tiamat for the most part because it is an ultraviolet light and color. Therefore, a different spectrum than your eyes. So you can't see it anyways. Now let's say it is in the atmosphere outgassing. A lot of people say there's no life there, or that there's nothing there, and it's a bunch of pieces and blah 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 yada yada yada. And I'm like, yeah, but if it's outgassing only happens when there's an atmosphere, right? For instance, this would have to take into consideration water. That's why it freezes into ice in space. Know what I'm saying?